Here I have OUKITEL C33, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar and try to find hotspot button here. So here it is. By tapping on it, you can just switch your hotspot. By holding down your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change hotspot name, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change its IP band, you can select MAC address, you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can set up maximum amount of connections, you can set a hidden SSID. You can use whitelist mode, and here you can add devices to whitelist manually. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.